Ever marveled at the power of the perfect prom dress to reflect your true self? Choosing your prom dress isn't just about looking glamorous, it's a grand manifestation of your individuality. Imagine the regal sophistication of ball gowns, transforming you into a princess straight out of a fairy tale. Envision the daring allure of mermaid dresses, capturing your bold spirit like a siren of the sea. Are you a die-hard admirer of the everlasting A-line or a trendsetter who adores the contemporary allure of the two-piece ensemble? Either way, each dress sings a unique melody about your persona. So buckle up as we are about to on a thrilling exploration of the universe of prom dresses. You don't want to miss this. Stay glued to your screens and let's dive into this fashion extravaganza together. From classic to trendy, prom dresses come in a myriad of styles. Let's break it down. First off, we have the timeless ball gown. These dresses are characterized by their full skirts and fitted bodice. They are perfect for anyone who wants to feel like a princess on prom night. Then we have the sultry mermaid dress. These dresses are fitted to the body and flare out at the bottom, resembling the tail of a mermaid. They are ideal for those who want to flaunt their curves. Next, there's the elegant A-line dress. These dresses cinch at the waist and gradually widen towards the hem, forming a silhouette that resembles the letter A. They're great for anyone who wants a classic, flattering fit. Lastly, we have the modern two-piece dress. This style features a separate top and skirt, allowing for a unique and trendy look. Each dress style has its own charm, but it's how you carry it that truly matters. Choosing a prom dress can be a daunting task, but with the right guidance, it can be a fun and exciting journey. As we've seen, there's a world of styles to explore, from glamorous ball gowns to chic cocktail dresses. But remember, the perfect prom dress is one that showcases your personal style and makes you feel comfortable. Above all, prom is about making memories, so choose a dress that makes you feel beautiful and confident. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion insights.